Alright guys, so I traded Google today, as you can see in the top right corner. I made $300 off them, 309 to be exact. But it's just been tough because I've been trading it's been selling off. So it's been really difficult to make gains on them. Take a look at this chart. I mean, it's definitely not the best chart to be going off of. But whatever, we made money off of them, it's all that matters. But you can see I had multiple trades on them. I'm trying to see where it shows the... There we go. So you can see multiple trades on them. Some for $1, $137, $30, $6, just like that. But I haven't held anything, and it's making me wonder, should I be holding this? 138 all the way down to 135. Should I just be buying and just holding and seeing how it does? But I'm not 100% sure here, to be honest. This is a... December's coming. Probably going to have some selling off. And with that selling pressure, I just feel that we're going to have more of a sell-off coming. But you can see I had some buys down here. It looks like I sold around 135.8, but I was buying a little bit lower than that, around this 135.4, 135.5. So I was close to the bottom, but that only works if you bought down here when it was 135, then went up to 136. So it's definitely hard to trade something like this. I was very patient, and I made my profits here. But overall, it's tough to see what's the right entry here, because I think we could have some... I think it's easy. We could easily see some just profit taking in December, and that's why I'm just trying to sit very cash heavy and wait to make my entries. You know, I tried to make a trade on Tesla, and I got scared. I should have took the trade, but you can see it here, double bottomed right here. And I was trying to make my entry here, and I didn't pull the trigger at 246, so regretting that one a little bit. That was a nice point out of it, but it's okay. If they get a pullback, maybe we'll try to make an entry. But for now, we'll just watch it as it goes. Alright, if this goes to 246.6, I'm going to take a stab at this. This is a scalp. This is not going to be like a big trade, but we're going to try. Because we have the nice pull up. We have the consolidation at the 0.6 area, as you can see right around here. So let's see if we can get something going here. See if we got a little more red coming. Now this is not a big scalp. We're in at 5.9. And put the sell already in for 7.5. We'll take another stab. Just didn't pop high enough yet. It's probably going to get to where I put it. Look right there. I still am up. Made $64 on that trade. Not much, but gotta be real picky with this right now because we don't know where it's going to go. So that new low was what? 246.53. Just gotta be really careful and see if it's gonna hold that or not. So 246.53 was the low there. It did get that pop like we were talking about. I tried to get that 15 cents on it. I tried to get 16 cents on it, but didn't work out. Could have held, but I'm trying to be quick with this. I want to be in and out. I don't want to be holding long. So we'll still, let's see. We'll watch again. We'll try to make another entry. Alright, so we're still watching. Let's see if we got a pullback. And it looks like that was a nice... There was not many short sellers from 0.67 down to 0.5, but we'll see. It's on the 1 minute candle, so we don't really know how reliable that really is. Alright, so we're watching. Let's keep an eye on it for now. If we miss it, we miss it. Whatever, we made some money. It makes us happy. Just very cautious because we got that we got the Cybertruck tomorrow. All right, so we see a sell-off, filled at 0.47. I'm just watching. Might have to let this one go. Thought we were gonna pop at that whole dollar. I guess not. So I'll get ready to go back in. We're gonna try to go in at the whole dollar. I think we made something on that. Not much, but. I want that whole dollar. I would love to get like 0.05 here. We're up 398 on the day. Now this is where you're like, please sell off just a little more. I'll try something I don't normally do. I'm gonna put this order in and see if it'll just get filled. Try to get a quick pop off that. Looks like it's actually holding though. I'm gonna cancel my order. Alright, so I'm gonna cancel my order because I'm getting nervous watching it just like hover there. Remember, we had 0.02 in mind, so let's see if it would have just popped right there. So remember, 245.76 is the low here. So we would have filled right here. Probably would have. I don't know if we would have got out, to be honest, so that's why we're waiting. I would love to see 245.8. And I say that because look right here. 245.678 is where the low. So if we can get that sell off, that'd probably be nice. So here we go, 245.78. Ah, it's bouncing. It's like buying the fallen knife. It's all about patience and just waiting. I mean, this could be the buy right here, to be honest. Whenever I'm unsure like this, I'm up 400 on the day. Let's just try to scalp 100 shares. I'll cut the loss at 20 cents. Look at that, just make a quick $5. 401 on the day. I'm hoping we can see that sell-off. I want to see 245.5 or 245.6. It looks like we're about to make a new low here. I'm going to try to get on this, but I think I was too late. I tried to get in at 245.66, but look, it already popped. It already popped from there. So you can see I literally just missed it. It's wild. It's so crazy. It's literally 30 cents right there. So I'll cancel my order. But I had the right idea. I mean, you saw that sell-off there. But now that it's doing this, we just got to be careful here because 245.36 is the low. After that, I'm not sure where we're going here. But it's Tesla, so we're always going to try to trade it. Let me just zoom out of this chart real quick. 245.5 maybe. So let's see what we get here. Alright, so we're still looking here. The low of this was 245.63. Just want to see if it breaks that. If it breaks that, we might be headed like even lower here. Just looking at the 5-day, there's nothing holding this thing up. It always scares me when people put these like 310 price targets because it just makes you feel like you're going to bag hold when they put these price targets on. But that Dan Ives guy is like the biggest bull for Tesla. He just loves Tesla. Yeah, those have been good entries. I was on point. I just missed. I tried to get in at that 0.6, and there's 30-40 cents right there. So this might be the bottom here. We're doing okay, though. We're up 400. Scalping $91 out of Tesla there, so I like that. Just keeping an eye on it. Some heavy selling pressure going on here. Look at this. Thing is really selling off. Look at this. I don't know what's going on with it. So I got filled there at 245.27. Hopefully we didn't just buy the death there. I don't know what's going on here. That the market is just completely selling off now. Oh wow. Did bad news just come out? I mean, this thing just literally dumped. Let's see, that was a big red candle. That's not good. Just bought 15 more shares. So it looks like we're filled at 245.27, so I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I don't know what just happened there. I didn't even see any news for Tesla. It's just selling off. Alright, so I didn't realize my recording shut off. But not the best trade. We're definitely down on this trade right now. You can see that, 350 bones. So let's just see where we go from here. Alright, so our 403, but it doesn't really matter if we're down. We got the 700 shares still left. It's bad buy. It's tough because we have, I feel like if I can get out of this trade alive, I'll just get out of this trade, but let's see. Because you could see 230 right here. Looks like we're gonna push here, but I'm not sure. Looks like you have a little resistance here. We're just watching it right now. Yeah, so we just sold. I don't know. I'm just so afraid to hold Tesla right now because of their Cybertruck, you know? So it's like we're up 408 now. Oh, look at that. It's going up now without me. But, you know, I'm doing too big share size because I'm afraid to hold them, and that's showing it right there because Tesla can easily just keep selling off. So we're up 408. We've definitely been trying. We've been taking stabs. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna get to 500 on the day. So like another 10 cents. Alright, so we're in at 27. That's not what I wanted. 14. There you go. That'll get us there. Good. 523. We like that. So we're still watching. And that low was 243.13. Just gotta keep an eye on that. Interesting though that it didn't. It went to 243.13, but look at that pop. It's like crazy. It's like I buy and then I got out of that 29 cents, 243.29, like sold there and then rebought like 16 cents lower and then boom, 60 cents. And I'll still take it. It's okay. 523. You can see Tesla, we're up $213. Google, $309. But that might solidify the bottom there. It didn't even make a new low. It went to 243.2 and then popped back up. And now we'll see if Tesla will break above this 244 level. If it breaks above that 244, then I think we're home free. We're going to start moving up. I'm going to be a little more aggressive on this.